1 million plus 0 is 1 million. 112 plus 0 is 112. So, if we have 7 plus 0, it equals 7. Even if the 0 comes first, 0 plus 7 equals 7. So add that in there to your notes. Any number plus 0 stays the same. Huh? Okay. All right, add this to your thing. That's our 0 facts. Any number plus 0 is the same number. Any number plus 0 equals the same number. Now the next one, we're not going to fill this whole thing out. We're just going to do a couple a day. We'll finish it next week. Another thing we learned was turnaround facts. So you can change the order of the add-ins. This is an add-in. This is an add-in. Two numbers that you add together are called add-ins. Say that. Add-ins. So I say point to an add-in. That's any of the numbers. So the 3 is an add-in and the 2 is an add-in. You can switch them and it still stays the same. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. If I switch the add-ins, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. They stay the same. 6 plus 5 is 11. If we switch the add-ins, 5 plus 6 is still 11. 2 plus 7 equals 9. If I switch the add-ins and say 7 plus 2 is still 9. So, a turnaround fact. We use dominoes with Miss Shoemaker. Let's draw 2 dominoes. They're 2 rectangles like this. So, draw 2 rectangles. Okay, and then in a domino, there's a line in the middle. Okay, and on this domino, we have a 2 and a 6. 2 and a 6. And we can write that math fact as 2 plus 6 equals, what's it 2 plus 6? Okay. 8. Now, a turnaround fact is when we switch them. So instead of 2 plus 6, we would say what? 6 plus 2. So let's draw that on our domino. If we turned our domino around, the 6 would come first. 6 plus 2. We turned them around. Now, does this answer stay the same? Yes. So sometimes it helps. Now, I already know 6 plus 2 is 8. So that must mean that 2 plus 6 is 8. That's called a turnaround fact when we switch the add-ins. Remember, add-ins are the numbers that we add together. Okay, so once you have your 2 things done here, I'm going to come around and we are going to start our first math fact test. This is what it looks like. There's 100 problems.
Oh my God!
So you can go this way if that helps you. So you write the answer, 9 plus 9, 18. 9 plus 2, 11. Or if you'd rather go down, you could do 9 plus 9 equals 18. 4 plus 1 is 5. 3 plus 8 is 11. Ooh, I knew that 3 plus 8 was 11 because 8 plus 3 is 11. And I did a turnaround fact. Okay? So I'm new. Today, I'm not timing you. Today, you are doing the whole thing without being timed. Tomorrow, I'm going to give you 15 minutes, and we're going to see how far you go. But today, we're just going to work on filling it out. That's all we're going to do today.